Welcome to Speaking Test 2. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Good job. And to start with, what is your name?
My name is Kate.
Hello, Ken. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Wonderful. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Good to know. Are you hungry?
Yes,
Yes. Yes, I. Are you hungry? Yes, I am.
I am.
Alright. And what food do you like?
I like pizza.
Pizza. Do you like noodles? Do you like noodles?
Yes, yes, I do.
Yes, you do. And what fruits do you like?
I like
Apples, mangoes.
mango.
Alright. And what animals do you like?
I like elephant.
Elephants. Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Eyes on the screen, tell me, what is it?
It's a hamster.
It's a hamster. What is it?
It's a goldfish.
Is it a dog? Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
What is it?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. What is it?
It's a turtle.
Is it a monkey?
No,
No, it is.
no, it isn't.
What is it?
It's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. What do you have?
I have rice.
I have
I have carrots.
and
I have grapes.
alright. What fruits do you like?
I like kiwi.
What fruits do you like?
I like cherries.
Do you like oranges? Do you like oranges?
Yes, I eat. Eat.
Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
Alright, or yes, please. What is it?
It's a watermelon.
Watermelon. Double check. What is it?
Watermelon.
It's pine. It's a pine.
It's a pineapple.
It's a pineapple.
It's a pineapple.
Do you like mangoes?
Yes, I do.
Alright. What says
Cookies.
very good? What about
Cake.
cake? What says
Deer.
deer?
The dog.
Door. Which one's door? Very good. What command is this?
It's a rabbit.
Pet the rabbit.
Open the door.
Open the door
Close the door.
and
Put down the hamster.
very good. Now teacher Red has got a picture, so let's take a look. What animal is it?
And
It's a
it's a tiger.
mhm.
It's a lion.
Very good. It's a lion. Do you like lions?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. What animal is it?
It's a zebra.
It's a zebra. What colors is it?
It's a white.
It's white.
It's white and black.
Good. What animal is it?
I like
It's
it's a tiger.
a tiger. What colors is it?
It's orange
And
and white and
brown.
brown.
Do you like tigers?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. What animal is it?
It's a rabbit.
How many rabbits do you see in the picture?
Two.
I see.
I see a two rabbits.
I see 2 rabbits. What animal is it?
It's an elephant.
It's an elephant. Is it big? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Okay, sit nicely. What fruit do you see?
I see a
I see a.
I see
I see
a
What fruit do you see? I see strawberries. I see strawberries. Okay, how many apples do you see? I see one, two. How many apples? Five. What about strawberries? How many strawberries do you see? Three strawberries. And what fruits do you like? Fruits do you like? Apples or strawberries? Apples. It's okay. What food do you see? What food do you see?
Bread.
I see bread. Okay, and
I see chicken.
what food do you like?
I like chicken.
Very good. And that concludes our second test. Okay, goodbye.